In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use BTLBO algorithm to solve a single objective optimization problem. First, you should download the source code of BTLBO from Mendeley. Then, you should open these two files, run BTLBO and BTLBO algorithm. In run BTLBO, there are a few number of parameters and population size, the number of decision variables, max FES, maximum number of function evaluations, and this parameter number of tests. If you want to run and use BTLBO algorithm to optimize your own optimization problem, there is no need to change this parameter. Just you should change this parameters, lower band and upper band, based on your optimization problem. You can change these two parameters. If be careful, if your problem decision variables of your problem have specific lower bands and upper bands, you can use this statement to set the lower bands and upper bands. For example, if you have three decision variables and the lower bands are different for each lower bands for each decision variables, for example 2, 5 and 10, you can set this parameter like this. But if the lower band or upper band is not different for all decision variables, use just this setting. So you should change this value based on your optimization problem. And next statement and line you should change is cost function. Okay, in order to use BTLBO to optimize your own optimization problem, you can use this line. For example, we use our cost function. We assume that your cost function, your problem file name is your cost function, and you should send this as a parameter. So just change this name based on your cost function file name. Okay, and another thing you should change is the name of cost function. for example, in BTLBO algorithm file here, but be careful, you should use this instead of, you should disable this statement and use instead of. So be careful that you should change this name according to your file name, your cost function file name. So there is finally there is no need to change any other thing to run BTLBO.